Buenos dias. I hope everyone's doing quite well by now. Into the second week of our 9 quarters. Time flies when we're having fun. Just going through this week's module with you. There's not a lot of explanation for me to do this week. You have your weekly plan, knowing that your I can statement for this week is going to be I can explain how to be successful in school, looking at different ways to be successful and explaining to others how to be successful as well. You'll have 5 things to turn into me, as you see over here, and then things to do. You'll be comparing and contrasting different ways that we evaluate here at Southport High School in comparison to David's school in Ecuador. And then we'll also talk about what people have to do, what one has to do. For the next part of this, you will have your video of David. You did watch this one last week, but you're going to watch it again, paying close attention to when he talks about how things are evaluated, different testing types of things. After you watch the video and take notes, you'll then do a compare and contrast Venn diagram between David's school as far as evaluations go and Southport High School. After you're done with that compare and contrast diagram, you're then going to use this video as one of your cultural focuses, talking about technology in the classrooms and how people use it, and maybe some good strategies that can help you as well. You'll also have 2 questions at the bottom to answer after you're done watching the video. Again, the girl on there is talking very fast. That's not what you're worried about. You're worrying about picking up what you can and using context clues such as your visuals to see what is she talking about, what do I hear, and putting it all together to make sense out of that. After you're done with your cultural content, you're going to read this short passage about expressing obligation. Remember, we're using this in order to teach you. After you've read the 2 short passages, think about those 3 questions at the bottom. And once you've thought about those, then I've got a video for you to watch and where I actually explain hay que tener que and deber. So make sure that you watch this. Take notes while you're watching. And then we're going to practice together. After practicing together, you'll then take your own activity. It's in a graded quiz format, but it's only counting as daily work. And you will show me that you understand the hay que tener que and deber to show what the people must do. After that, we're going to go into giving advice about what people should do at school. Here you have a short scenario about Elena, another student in Ecuador. And Elena has 5 questions for you. For these questions, you're going to record your responses out loud. Make sure that you are only recording with your computer. It's going directly into Canvas when you submit it. If you're not certain how to record with your computer and submit into Canvas, there are directions right here at this link. But this will be you speaking the answers to these questions for Elena. After you're done with your video recording, think about how did you do with your I can statement. I can explain how to be successful in school. Tell me if you were a 1, 2, or a 3, and tell me why you chose that number. After that, you will have finished your module for the week. Adios.